Hello guys, introduce us from Group A, which consists of Rahmat, Febrianto,
Fitrullah.
We are from the Department of Civil Engineering, State University of Malang, formed 2017. Hello friends, how are you? Are you not busy today?
Alhamdulillah, fine. Today I'm not busy. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Today I'm not busy. What is going on?
If you are not busy, join me. Let's make pot of cement and silicone gloves
Where?
in my boarding house at 2 p.m. But I have not bought any equipment and materials.
Oh, okay, easy. For how the pot is? Probably for this grandmother. Her grandmother like to make plant flower, right?
Yes, exactly. We will be skilled to design furniture for the exterior building.
Okay, see you later. Dah.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
Hey, welcome friends. Let's play the equipment. Ready to go.
From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hello guys, this part I want to tell about material and tools. The material already and equipment available are 1 kilogram wet cement. It is better to use wet cement because it is more beautiful. When cement dry, can be directly used or colored. To apply a silicone glove, silicone should be thin, usually be color transparent or white. Then 1 full cup of water. Water must be clean, done with mistake. Then sandpaper. After that 3 ball, 2 large ball and 1 small ball. After that some stone for ball. That's it. All of material and tools for vase.
First of all, mix the cement and water until it becomes a mortar. Cement mortar does not have to be too thick. Another name for cement mortar is not plaster. Then open the silicone gloves and pour the mortar into the silicone glove. Make sure there is no air in bottles. Then tie to the end of silicone glove and place on one glove. Cover with a second glove and put a stone on top of it as glass.
After that, dry 1 to 3 days until ready hard. If the mortar is already hardened, open the silicone gloves. Trim the base of the former boards of silicone gloves and sandpaper. connect the first part to other part using a mortar and wait until dry. When the mortar is dry, give it a color with turmeric or leave it original.
When the tea is dry, put the fertile soil and plant the dessert flower. Flush us and place in the dessert place. That's it.
We get the inspiration at YouTube. There are many other forms of pot. Lately, the pot is also used to beautify the interior and exterior of the building.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give comment and press the like and dislike.
We apologize for our mistake and shortcoming. See you later.
Goodbye. Nang, mari.
Hello guys.
Moco.
Hello guys. Introduce us from group A.
Sininya kan.